Hello Mavens, welcome to yet another video where we'll be talking about viral marketing. I don't know if you know what viral marketing is, but we have all been part of viral marketing whether we want it or not. It's just like being part of global warming without realizing that we are part of global warming. But we are not here to talk about global warming. We are here to talk about the strategies that will help you go viral with viral marketing. If you want to make your brands go viral, this video is for you. So without hyping it much, let's dive right into the strategies that we'll be talking about so that your brand goes viral. My name is Tanmay and let this video begin. So what is viral marketing? Have you ever heard about virus? Well, I bet you have heard about virus more in your life than viral marketing. As virus spreads and replicates itself, viral marketing is just like that. It releases in one part of country and spreads through numerous countries by the word of mouth through a medium of media. Brands and advertisers and companies are using viral marketing for ages. They create ads that are emotionally evoking, emotionally triggering, and extremely attention grabbing. But what if I tell you, if you do viral marketing in a right way, you can win trust of your audience and also generate awareness, and on top of that, create a demand for your brand. That's like killing three birds with one stone. Well, there was time when there was no internet, no mobile phones, no laptop, no PC, no TV. Yet, viral marketing used to run the show. How? Well, that's why I said it before. If you touch the emotions of people, they will spread your word. But talk about now. You have internet, you have television, you have mobile phones, you have social media. The impact that you can create by viral marketing is enormous. Like genuinely enormous. Huge. Gigantic. I don't have any more words now. But you get the point, right? But first, I want to tell you that viral marketing is not a form of paid marketing. You don't need enormous amount of money for viral marketing, but you do need creativity. It's form of organic marketing. You're creating such a good content that people are genuinely interested in sharing that content. It's so heart-touching that people genuinely wants to share it with their families. And if you're able to create that kind of content, that is a form of viral marketing. The next thing that I want to tell you is it's not niche specific marketing. Most marketing is based on specific marketing, but not with viral marketing. The scope of reaching people is immense in viral marketing. It's more like mass marketing, but not entirely. If you don't know what mass marketing is, comment down below. We'll be happy to make another video about mass marketing, explaining it thoroughly. The third thing that I want to tell you is viral marketing can be natural form and strategic form as well. Let's take for an example. If you have an educational content and you're creating content every single day, it's about education, it's about computer technology, it's about coding, so on and so forth, and you're giving enormous amount of information and knowledge in that particular videos, your content has high chance of going viral. Not because you intend it to, but it's a natural process that people genuinely want to know about education, upcoming projects, upcoming jobs, so on and so forth. This is more of a natural form, but there is strategic form as well, where you create and carve a content that is specifically driven to the topic and that can create emotional trigger in audience brain, and they can share it more and more on social media and on the WhatsApp group. Now that you know the basics of viral marketing, I know you have one question in your mind. How can you find the relevant topics? How can you find the relevant information? How can you carve your content? Well, I will suggest you these online searching tools from where you can extract stories, relative information that you can use to carve your content. Number 1 is Google Trend. Number 2 is BuzzSumo. Number 3 is Social Animal or Content Studio. All these 3 tools will help you in curating new information and making content revolving around that aspect. It also tells you what is trending and what is not trending, what can work and what cannot work. Pretty cool, right? Okay, now even if you get all the informations right, even if you carve the best content ever, now here's the question. Why would people share your content? What will make them share the piece of information with other people even if it's time consuming? Why would they do that? The answer is because of social currency. People like being superior. They like to share content that is good. They love doing that because they want to have an upper hand in front of the other people. It tells others about the fact that we are aware of what is happening around us, about our surrounding. If it is funny, people like to share funny content because they like to make other people happy, and they also want to have this upper hand that my sense of humor is kind of better than yours. This is a moral competitiveness that we have in our brain, and it's okay. Everybody has that. And you can use that to your advantage in viral marketing. Now that you have all the relevant information, here's the pinpoint. You should know about social media marketing. What is call to action, when to use call to action, what is engagement rate, what is KPI, so on and so forth. This will create an impact on your audience. The more you know about social media game, the better you become. But you don't have to worry about any of that. We have already got you covered. We have made a video about social media marketing. It's a series that will cover all the aspects of social media marketing, and it will give you enormous amount of knowledge, information and depth. If you want to check that video, the link is in the description and the link is somewhere here as well, so you might check that one out. Now let's move on to the topic we have all been waiting for, and this was the basic of all the things. This is where the real video begins. I mean, the real video has already begun, but this is where you get a one step ahead information. The 10 best strategies for you to go viral. Number 1 is extreme emotions evolving and triggering content. Emotion is such a strong force. It's powerful in many ways because it can influence a decision and urge people to act. And that's why it has been the most effective marketing technique to inspire people to make specific action, to take specific action and reach businesses milestone. Advantages of emotion evoking contents are you become memorable, your content becomes shareable, it influences purchasing decision, it also helps building loyal customers, and there are many more advantages of that. Number 2 is attention grabbing. Think of changing situation that's affecting your customers. It could be a societal or political change, a change related to technology or anything else that bring out problems or opportunities or both. And then write your thoughts about this point. What's causing this trend? How the situation has developed? What is current situation? What are your recommendations for the readers or viewers to avoid the harm or get the benefit out of it? It's viral content because it's relevant. The next is social proof generating. Social proof is a psychological phenomena where people assume the action of other is an attempt to reflect correct behavior for the given situation. Social proof can be a celebrity talking, expert advice, ads, certification, so on and so forth. Breathtaking, surprising content. Surprise and unexpectation can be a great asset when it comes to content. Make sure there is twist, turn or something different every time you create the best content. Human tends to love, share, watch the content filled with action, drastic change and unexpected end. The more unexpected it is, the more breathtaking it becomes. The next is writing successful slogans and jingles. A person can typically remember the jingle, its message and most importantly, the brand represented by it. When considering some of the best jingles and slogans over the 30 years, sure, some stick out more than others. Some have been iconic and others have been awful. But no matter how you slice it, the real good ones leave impressions for decades or even lifetime. And the next in the list is expert advice. An expert influencing about your brand can be the most vital part of viral marketing. People tend to listen to experts more time than not. And when experts speak for your brand, people listen and they share content. The next is celebrity influencing. Influence marketing creates word of mouth advertising using people that are trusted in certain circles. With this strategy, influential people are building up your image in the minds of their followers. From start to end, the message is considered theirs, and it lends a certain credibility and authenticity that celebrity endorsement rarely maculates. It's a great way to go viral looking at the followers of the celebrity. The next is insecurities, fears, targeting. Targeting insecurities and stating that it's okay, everyone goes through it has been the most predominant marketing technique. And it also makes for the great shareable content. People love cure, and cure for their fears is where marketing lies, such as products for pimples, Dettol soap are the great example for it. The next one is social message. Black Lives Matters, depression is real. These campaigns were trending. Do you know why? Because it holds social message that people connect with. And on top of that, it makes for a great shareable content. Viral through challenges, prizes and invitation to meet someone. Giveaway, competition, the urge of winning something spreads faster with speed of light. Creating challenges and having appealing gifts is one of the traditional way of marketing, yet has evolved into some fascinating medium. Social media, YouTube channel, so many different platforms for you to host your challenge and reach wider amount of audience. So everything that we mentioned here is everything that you need to know about viral marketing. So if anyone is telling you that you need big budget to go for viral marketing, let me tell you, you don't. And you tell them also that you don't. Okay, you need good ideas, you need right message, a right platform and a bit of creativity as well. And that's why we at Mavenwit, we want to give you a chance to have one free consultation call with the best marketers out here. So if you need any sort of consultation, the link is in the description. We want you to know that you are not alone in this. We are ready to help. With that being said, if this video brought any value to you, hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions related to viral marketing, brand awareness, advertisement, so on and so forth, comment down below and Mavenwit team will be happy to assist you. If you want to go viral, we got you all covered. With that being said, this is Tanmay Thirte, your marketing Maven, signing off.